Hi, this is Sentrix, an AI-powered SRE copilot running entirely on AWS. So we can see here right now, everything is healthy, 100% health score, all 8 region green, and we have 2 pods running on EKS. The brain worker runs every minute via EventBridge, analyzing telemetry through Amazon Bedrock pod. Next, we are injecting a traffic spike. The health score, as you can see here, drops, and the SRE weighted decisions decides to scale up, and we max it at 10. And after the AI scaling happens, we can see that the system actually tries to remediate and scale up to satisfy the incoming searching traffic, so that we can maintain and improve the reliability back to our target goal. And as we can see here, after it scales up, the system actually managed to get it back to what we have satisfied as a 95%, and we'll try to stabilize it. So next phase, I'm trying to show you, once it hit our budget constraint, what it triggers is the economic scale down and how agent is going to debate about that. As traffic normalizes, the finance agent advocates for scaling down to save cost. And we can see here there's a multi-agent debate that gets triggered, and the SIE agent will say scale continuously to protect uptime, while the finance agent pushes back, saying that that's expensive, so scale minimally. So the arbiter, where it synthesizes both decisions and reach a middle ground, so the decision is made so that we scale back to 5 now that the traffic normalizes. And we can see the system autonomously reduces pods, proving it optimizes in both directions. Notice there is the thought signatures in the brain analysis. These are the accumulated learnings from each incident, stored in DynamoDB. Every decision's effectiveness is scored and fed back, so our agents self-evolve and improving their reasoning based on previous incident handling. Next time a similar spike occurs, the AI already knows what works best. Next, I'm going to show what if our workload region is down, and now you can see on the map that there are some US regions turns red, and we should try to be more proactive and detect before the user notice. So now the brain or the agents will start to decide whether this is the time to fail over quickly to our warm cluster we have in the EU region. So quick decision is made to ensure our cluster failover quickly to maintain our services uptime and the reliability back to 85%, and we can see the failover cluster. What if worst case scenario, cascading AWS failure across multiple regions? So watch the live ticker, the agents will detect the cascading failure and run an emergency debate and triggers the cross-cloud failover to GCP. And of course, this has to be some pre-configured and pre-set up that's in other cloud, and AWS recovers, it will fails back quickly. So finally recovery, the health goes back to near 100%, pod scales back to baseline, and in the background, step functions is scoring every decision we make, feeding the effectiveness score back to AI for the next time. So Sentrix literally gets smarter with every incident. This built entirely on AWS Bedrock, Lambda, DynamoDB, step functions, EKS, EventBridge, CloudFront, and deployed with a single CDK command. This is Sentrix, AI that doesn't just monitor your infrastructure, it thinks about it.